Hi students, I myself S.K. Ghotekar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, KTHM College, Nasik. I welcome you on today's lecture on our KTHM College e-learning platform. Now students, we are going to start our second, that is Indian and Global Economic Development. This subject's second topic, that is agriculture development in India since independence. Now students, last lecture we have discussed our first topic. First topic name is introduction. Introduction means that is our Indian economics introduction. In this topic we have learned about our Indian economy as a basic characteristics of an emerging economy, and then second one point is as a comparison of our economy respect to another developed economy. Now today we will learn about role of agriculture in the Indian economy. Now student, our economy's agriculture sector is as a backbone of our economy as well as main milestone of our economy. And agriculture means not only farming, but agriculture means as a farming, forestry, fishery, animal husbandry, poultry, any other relative as well as allied sector including agriculture sector means total agriculture. Now agriculture is a very important sector because when start of human life in our country, that is a form of Sindhus as well as Aryas as well as Hadappas. Now this culture to present near about 2020, Indian agriculture sector is a very important sector of our Indian economy. So that main role of agriculture sector in Indian economy. Now let us start which role of our Indian economy, that is the agriculture sector's role. Now first is share in national income. Now agriculture is a backbone of our Indian economy, so that in our Indian economy, agriculture is a main part of our GDP. Now, the national income statistics shows that the contribution of agriculture to India's total national income remains sizable through over the years. The contribution has considerably declined in 1950 to 1951. Agriculture contributed near about 56.5% of the total national income. During 2018-19, the share of agriculture and allied sector is 40% of the total GDP. Now, student, kindly note that so that our agriculture sector is our backbone of our economy. So that because national in agriculture sector, national income sharing maximally when we have independent in near about 56.5%, and today near about 40% GDP sharing. So it is a main part of our national income. So it is a basic characteristics as a basic role of our economy as a share in national income as an agriculture sector. Now next one is a share in total employment. Now student, kindly note present our populations, near about 58% population directly involved in agriculture sector. It is a very important point is because maximum population directly involved in our primary sector, that is agriculture sector. Agriculture sector is a main part of our employment, provide of employment. And in Indian economy, a very high portion of working population is engaged in the agriculture sector, near about 58% population directly involved in agriculture sector. So agriculture sector is a main provider of employment in our economy. So maximum sharing of employment of in our economy. So it is important in our economy as a share in total employment. Now next one is uh, next one is role of in industrial development. Now, agriculture sector maximum provide raw material to industry as a main production part, so that it role in industrial development, lack of agriculture sector, so nothing any industrial production properly, so lending industries like cotton and jute, textile industries, sugar, flour mill, vanaspati and plantation has to depend on agriculture directly. Many small scale and cottage industries like handloom, oil crushing, rice hacking, etc. depend directly on agriculture for their raw materials. In recent year, the various food processing industry is being increasingly recognized for income generation and generation of employment opportunities, which also depend on agriculture sector. So agriculture sector is a main role in industrial development, because agriculture sector is a main customer of industrial sector and provider of raw material to industry, so that agriculture is the main role in industrial development. Next one is demand for industrial product. We have discussed already. Agriculture sector near about depend on 58% India's 58% population directly involved in agriculture sector, so that agriculture sector is main demand for industrial product. Many industrial products are demanded by the agriculture sector, some of which are directly used by agriculture as input, pump sets, other machinery and equipments, other various consumer goods which the industrial sector products, and the buyers are from the agriculture sector. Student, kindly note that the agriculture sector is a very most important part of our Indian economy, because maximally population directly involved in agriculture, and agriculture sector is a demand sector for industrial product. It is one of the main characteristics, main role of our Indian economy as a agricultural sector. Next one is supply of food. Now student, in our country at present near about 1030 crore population, and in this population main need of food, sustainable supply of food, so that agriculture sector produce as a food and then provide in our population as a food, so that the growth of human population, the requirement of food goes on increasing, because our population annually population maximally high growth rate comparatively another country, so that it is a main need of food, and this growing demand for food has got to be met from the agriculture sector, so that agriculture sector is a main role in our economy, supply of food. Next one is importance in export. Student, kindly note that we have export at presently all of world our agricultural product. Just example, coffee, tea, sugar, as well as any other vegetables, meat. We also product as a dairy product in world. It is a main part of export, and then we earn from this particular export product. We earn as a foreign capital and foreign currency, so that agriculture sector is a main part of our external trade as well as international trading. So it is a main part as well as main product we have day by day as well as annually maximum export as a agricultural product. Agriculture and allied product occupy an important position in India's export. So we export as a European country as well as USA maximum our agricultural product. That our importance in exportation as an agricultural product. Now next one is the backbone of the Indian economy. We have last lecture we have discussed already this point. Now in India, there are near about 6.27 lakh villages. In the main occupation of obviously is agriculture. The electrification of this village, the transport and marketing facilities in this village, and the credit and other infrastructural facilities for this village revolve around agriculture, so that agriculture is a backbone of our Indian economy. Near about 6.27 lakhs villages directly, their main occupation is agriculture. So maximum people have presently working as a farmer, and so that our Indian economy is backbone of the agriculture. Agriculture is a backbone of the Indian economy. So next one is role in economic development. Student, kindly note that any of process, any of economic activity, main role of primary sector, because maximum people have survival in primary sector. So the primary sector main demand level sector. So the performance of the Indian economy as a whole does depend upon the performance of Indian agriculture. This fact has a very important and serious implication for India's development. It is a main role of economic development as a agriculture sector. So student, kindly note that our today's lecture depend this assignment describe the role of agriculture in the Indian economy. Now student, try to solve this question. Listen first our today's video and try to solve this question. Thank you very much.